Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolute GH. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare tiger nut pudding ATADWE milk. And then you buy ATADWE milk. What you can ATADWE now is soak a siwo for not less than 2 hours. You have to soak the tiger nut for not less than 2 hours. Let's go over our ingredients. We will need our almighty tiger nuts, plain rice, or if you have brown rice it's okay. You will need sugar and then just a pinch of salt. So these are our ingredients. First, after soaking and washing the tiger nuts, you pour it in your blender with your washed rice. The rice depends on the thickness you want your tiger nut pudding to be. If you want it to be lighter, I like mine lighter, like the one you see on the street. You have to use just a little rice, like 2 tablespoons will be okay. But if you want it to be heavy, very heavy, then you add more rice. That's the only secret. So after blending the 2 ingredients, you sieve it. Make sure that you remove all the chaff from it very well. It is a there's a cow and mono so there for a crave, just a per ways no you do drasa, a penetica, and a for money baby, and penetica, a for money crave, very 2 spoons be, and a they blend, a blend we are now sort of do, no I have fine in day, a chaff be a rabia, and back a mission. Then you put it on fire. But I'm going to show you one secret. The tiger nut and the rice, they are white, but the ones you see on the street is brown and it's very tasty. This is the secret. You have to melt the sugar and make sure it melts and becomes brown. Or there none esichenu na emma no oye brown. It's on make sure the way I wear it. So I am brown today. Maybe what you could be tougher. And then sugar crabby. You melt the sugar to become brownie. Make it very brown, like you are using it for coconut toffee. So like I'm showing you. So after the sugar becomes brown, then you pour it into your tiger nuts. That's all, and stay. Now, Mr. Damazimi, no oil, don't papa if you're home. Reason will be a test cake. Sometimes you don't have to buy everything from the market or everything from the streets. As a mother or as a person, you have to try new things and do certain things on your own. Like this tiger nut, it is very simple. You don't have to spend. You will even spend up to $1 to make this tiger nut pudding. And when you make it out at home, you will get more than enough to share with your family or your friends or your kids. So I love it so much, and since I tried it, I always try to make a new one. So try it and give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Leave it to cool down for a while and then add your milk. So thank you all for watching.